We will need 2 lemons, cut the lemon into slices. We will need ginger, peel off it, cut the ginger into slices. Take the slices in a saucepan. Add 2 spoons of rice. Add some cloves. Add 1 glass water. Now boil the mixture on low heat for 10 minutes. Add coriander leaf. Strain it. Cover the mixture for 1 hour. Take the drink in a cup. Add a spoon of honey. Mix it well. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 10 days. You will notice the difference, especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. These tips are completely natural, there is no side effect. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.